Hello YouTube, this is NWI Prepper 19113. This is my video response to the Ebomey AR-15 package giveaway. So without further ado, Ebomey, sponsors, and distinguished judges. Why I want the AR-15 package. Well, I want to further exercise my Second Amendment rights, moving up from 12 gauge and 22. It would be an honor to own the most beautiful precision machine I have ever seen, that comes with even $100 for firearm safety course. I won't even use this gun for target practice until the platform is fully understood, safety course is complete, and all material on the laptop provided in the contest has been studied and absorbed. Of course, the firearm will be used for home defense, and I understand that course of firearms are to be handled with the utmost respect, but this firearm package should be treated with ultra respect for its sheer volume. This is fantastic. I cannot even believe I'm entering a contest like this. Anyway, I don't win things too often. It's just an honor to be able to enter this contest, and I think with those 2 pounds of coffee that's coming with it, I'll if I win, that'll be what I'll be drinking when I come home from the target range, from the practice range. And I can't say thank you enough to all the sponsors, all of the people who donated. One of the requirements being you subscribe to Ebomey and all the sponsors, the sponsors that have YouTube channels. That's all done. Of course, I'm over 18, and I'm able to have the AR if I win. This is just it's just a fantastic opportunity for anyone who enters. Good luck to everybody. Can't say enough about the package. It's just beyond belief. I mean, nobody ever could put a package like this together for themselves. Even if they had the money, you couldn't think of all this stuff in your wildest dreams. Especially the coffee and the $100 bill. That's a good one. Oh, and the lighter, and the Vietnam knife. That's something to be real proud of. That's beautiful. Never forget those guys. That means something special to me too. That the day I turned 18, I went and signed up for my draft card, and they classified me 1H for holding, and they told me I couldn't go to Vietnam. And I said, how about if I just go enlist? And they said the doctors would reject me there too because of my status to begin with. But anyway, they discouraged me. I never went, and too late now. But a big thank you to everybody, all the veterans. Prayers go to fallen brothers, and any of the other amenities that I can't remember because the list is so long. Believe me, they won't go unused. Of course, you know, they go with the package for certain reasons, and that's what the gun safety course is for, and that's what the computer and software are for, to learn all that and make the most of a fantastic piece of equipment. Something definitely that'll be handed down to my sons, their sons. Don't know which ones yet. But if I win, it's mine first, so I get it until it's time to pass it on. So, Ebomey and sponsors, thank all you from the bottom of my heart. Can't say enough about the contest. Hope I win, of course. If I don't, congrats to the winner. And if you do win, you get a better speech than I did, and you deserve it. Okay, NWI Prepper 19113 signing off.